In this video, I am going to discuss how to write a C program to find the power of a number. So I have opened my online C compiler, and here I have included header file std.h, and now I am going to write a function which returns the power of a number. So the return type is int power number, and it have two parameters. The first is base, comma, second is exponent. So exponent means here that a number, for example, we have to find the power of 2 की power 4. Then the first base here is 2 and 4 is exponential of the number. Here means that 2 is multiplied by 4 times to get 2 की power 4. We are going to implement this in our code. So I am copying this function, and now I am going to give the definition to the function. So first I am going to define int power, a variable, initializing with 1. Now I am going to use while exponential is greater than 0. This while loop run till the exponent is not greater than 0. After the less than 0, it will terminate. And what is going in while? While is doing that power is equals to power into base, and we are going to decrease every time minus power expo. After terminating, it will return power to us. Now I'm going to call this in the main function int result. I'm going to define a function where I'm going to store the return value in this variable result power, and I'm going to pass two parameter and form of 4. And now I'm going to print %t comma result. Let now run this code and see what the result come. 2 to the power 16, here is the answer. So thank you for watching this video.